Hi beautiful people, today I am going to be telling you how I make my husband feel extraordinary. And when I say extraordinary, of course I mean make him feel special, make him feel fantastic, just make him know that somebody cares and somebody loves him so much. I make him my first priority after God. My husband is my world, so nothing comes before him. He is on top of the ladder, and I make sure that he knows that, he understands that. I show him that you are first. So when I'm making decisions, I am thinking about him. I'm thinking about how the consequence is gonna affect him. If my husband needs something and you need the same thing, I am sorry, you're gonna have to find somebody else to give you that thing. But I have to serve people. I'm not saying, oh, my husband, because we know each other, it can come last. No. I am serving my husband first. I am serving him with the biggest means. I am putting him first. Final. Period. That's it. I make sure that I speak his love language. Imagine speaking Yoruba to an Englishman. He doesn't understand what you're saying. He cannot feel your vibe. You cannot feel his vibe. But once you start to speak English, he's able to relate, he's able to understand you, he's able to communicate better and feel like, okay, we are speaking the same thing, we belong, we are together. And that's the same way the love language is. My husband's primary love language, according to Gary Chapman's book, is quality time. So that means I need to spend time with him for him to feel like he is loved. Quality time. That means I have to give him my full attention anytime I am with him. So even though that is not my own love language, I get to speak the language that he understands so that it can translate love to him. I use my 5 senses around him. I touch him all the time. I touch him. I'm going in and out of the house or like the rooms, I touch him. As long as I see him, I touch him. I touch his butt, I touch his chest, I touch him. I touch everywhere. For my sight, I look at him and flirt with my eyes anytime we have eye contact. Yes, and he's like, why are you looking at me like that? I'm like, how? So yes, anytime he's around, I make it a point to just look at him. For taste, of course, give your husband a passionate kiss. Just randomly, let him be, in his studies, doing something. You're not there to disturb him. You're just there to give him that kiss, like, I'm here. For smell, I sniff my husband's neck all the time. All the time, I sniff it. My husband smells good. Oh God, it smells so good, and I verbalize the fact that it smells so good. I'm just like, you smell good, like your perfume smells nice, or your body smells nice, whatever. Verbalize that it smells good. That's how I use my smell. And of course, the last one, hearing. I pay attention to my husband. I am listening out for him to call me, and when he calls me, I'm not there counting 1, 2. No, I'm like, yes baby, I'm coming, or what's what you need, or something. Like, I am paying attention to him. So I'm listening out for him, and of course I listen to him whenever he wants to talk. That I pray for him randomly. This is aside our devotions or prayer time. I just call him and I say, babe, I really feel like praying for you. And it feels good. Even from the phone, it's like, oh wow, okay, thank you. Like, he's feeling good already. Just I remember him and I want to pray for him. I do that so that he would know that I am thinking about him. But not only that, I am praying for him as well. So I'm praying without him, I'm praying with him, and I am praying for him. Another thing I do is brag about him. Don't talk about my husband beside me, because that conversation will revolve around him. I feel good to let you know he is my husband. I am gonna tell you he is the best. I'm gonna tell you he is handsome. I'm gonna tell you. So I'll just keep going. With him, without him being there, I brag about him. I take care of business when he is busy. So we have allocations of things to do around the house individually. But sometimes people just get busy. Sometimes plans don't go the way you want them to go. I don't say, oh, you know what, that's his own question. That's what he's supposed to do. He's the one that's supposed to do this. I don't do that. I get things done. Once I see that he's busy and I'm not busy, I help. I help with, his clothes. I don't like to iron. Oh God, I don't think I can iron to save myself. But if my husband is busy and I know that he has to go to work tomorrow, I try my best to like iron. You know, I don't wait around for him to come and do things. When I know he's tired, I help out, and it makes him feel like he is loved, which is the whole point. It feels so good that I'm able to cover up for him and I'm able to take care of business, and there's nothing like you knowing that somebody that take care of business for you when you are busy. Those are some of the things I do to make my husband feel extraordinary. Sometimes it's not about the big things, it's about the little things that count. And once we omit the little things, it's like we omitting the foundation, the basics, and say we want to build a house. What is it going to stand on? Nothing. I'm going to see you in my next video. Have a lovely week. Bye.